Hello, my friends, and welcome back to SpeakEasy English Talks. If you're listening to this video right now, I want you to pause for 1 second and feel proud of yourself. You are here. You chose learning. You chose growth. And that choice matters more than you think. Today's video is about something very simple but very powerful. Talking about your daily routine and using 200 sentences. Not fast English, not difficult grammar, just real-life English spoken slowly, clearly, and naturally. And most importantly, this video is about shadowing, listening, and repeating. One of the strongest tools for beginners who want to speak English fluently. But before we talk about sentences, pronunciation, or fluency, let me tell you something important. You do not need talent to speak English. Many learners believe they are bad at English. They say things like, I forget words. My pronunciation is bad. I understand, but I cannot speak. If this sounds like you, please listen carefully. You are not bad at English. You are not slow. You are not weak. You are simply learning in a world that taught you the wrong way. English is not learned by memorizing rules only. English is learned by using it again and again in daily life. That is exactly why daily routine sentences are so powerful. Why daily routine? English works. So well, think about your own life. You wake up every day. You brush your teeth. You eat. You go out. You work or study. You come home. You sleep. These actions repeat every single day. When English is connected to something that already exists in your life, your brain says, oh, this is useful. This is real. That is why sentences like, I wake up, I drink water, I go to work, I come home, are not boring. They are foundations. And foundations are what makes strong buildings. Short sentences are not weak sentences. In this video, the sentences start very short. Some learners think, this is too easy. But easy does not mean useless. In fact, easy sentences are powerful because they reduce fear. They build rhythm. They train your mouth. They build confidence. When you say, I wake up clearly and smoothly, your mouth learns English movement. When you repeat it again and again, your brain learns English patterns. Fluency is not about long sentences first. Fluency is about smooth control. How shadowing changes your brain. Shadowing means you listen and repeat immediately. Not later. Not after translating. Immediately. When you shadow, your ears listen. Your mouth speaks. Your brain connects sound and meaning. This creates muscle memory for English. At first, it may feel strange. Your mouth may feel slow. Your pronunciation may feel uncomfortable. That is normal. Every new habit feels uncomfortable at the beginning. But here is the magic. Your mouth learns faster than your brain understands. One day you will speak a sentence and think, wow, that sounded natural. That moment comes from repetition, not intelligence. From short to long. How confidence grows. This video is designed very carefully. You do not jump from, I wake up, to, after completing my morning routine, I proceed to prepare myself for the professional responsibilities of the day. No, you grow slowly. I wake up. I wake up and stretch. I wake up and stretch my arms. I wake up and stretch my arms before getting out of bed. This is how real fluency is built. Not by force, not by pressure, but by gentle progress. Your confidence grows because your brain feels safe. English is not a test. It is a life skill. Many learners are afraid to speak because school taught them one thing. Mistakes are bad. But real English does not work like that. Mistakes are part of fluency. When you shadow sentences in this video, you're not trying to be perfect. You are training your mouth to move naturally. A child does not speak perfectly, but child speaks confidently. Confidence always comes before accuracy. Daily routine. English builds automatic speech. When you talk about your daily routine again and again, something amazing happens. You stop thinking. Your mouth starts moving automatically. That is fluency. You do not translate. You do not search for grammar. You just speak. And that is the goal. Not fancy words. Not complex grammar. Clear, natural, confident English. Small practice, big results. You do not need 2 hours a day. Even 10 to 20 minutes of shadowing is powerful. One video today, repeat it tomorrow, repeat it again next week. Your brain learns through repetition, not pressure. Think of English like a path in the forest. Every time you walk it, the path becomes clearer. Your voice matters. Many learners never speak aloud. They only listen. They only read. They only think. But English lives in your voice. When you speak aloud, you hear yourself. You correct yourself naturally. You gain confidence. Do not whisper. Do not hide. Speak clearly, even if you make mistakes. Your voice deserves space. English is built on daily habits. This video shows something important. Your whole day can be English practice. Morning sentences, work sentences, evening sentences, night sentences. English does not need a classroom. English needs connection to your life. When English becomes part of your routine, it stops feeling heavy. It becomes normal. Progress is quiet, but real. Some days you will feel improvement. Some days you will feel nothing. That is okay. Learning does not always feel exciting. But one day you will notice you speak faster, you pause less. Your sentences feel natural and you will smile. Because you know you earned it. Believe in the process. Let me say this clearly. You do not need motivation every day. You need consistency. You do not need confidence first. Confidence comes after practice. If you keep shadowing, keep listening, keep speaking, your English will change. Not suddenly, but surely. Final message for you. If you finish this video, you did something powerful. You practiced, you spoke, you showed up. That already makes you a serious learner. So listen again tomorrow. Repeat the sentences. Shadow with confidence. Every sentence you speak brings you closer to fluency. This is SpeakEasy English Talks, and I believe in your progress. Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself.